Hello guys, today we will solve your Embrace Light problem. As you can see, I have also completed my other courses as well. If you want to know the solutions or want the code for the Embrace Light, any code like for these courses, you can comment below. I will provide you that and even upload the video if you are facing any problem. Please let me know. For now, we have to go on know your organization, and after that we have to go on the link. And first of all, for this we have to have a complete patience. From patience I mean complete patience. We do not have to hurry anything. Now we have to click here to launch. Remember it. You can see I simultaneously pressed escape and reload button. For that we have to keep the word embrace here. If it predicts to embrace light, go back and do it again. If it is repeating itself to embrace light, wait for 1 hour, clear your cache and do it again. The thing you have to remember the most, the word only embrace should be in your URL. Rest the white screen no problem. And keep doing reload escape, yes, till your this screen appears. First, at the first stage the complete website will be not appeared, but do not worry, the some portion will appear. So continue the course by clicking here to world to journey, even complete small step below. If it predicts to embrace light, do not worry, do again, escape reload. Slowly your whole course will be completed. It requires only patience. And at last, if you want any code or solution for the other problem, let me know in the comments.